Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. Today we're going to be showing you a few simple ideas you can do for rock painting. It's a really great fun activity with the kids. It's cheap and simple to do, and it's amazing how many people stop outside our drive to look at these when they're on their walk. I get a lot of comments from children and parents saying how they brighten the place up, and they're really simple to do. We've got a few here we've made. Okay, so to start off with, we need some stones. So what we've done here, we've had a good rummage around in our garden and we found one in a flower bed. This one looks like it might have a bite out of it, so we might be able to turn it into some sort of fruit or pie that we might paint. So the next thing we'll need to do is wash the stone thoroughly. Okay, so once you've washed your rock, the next thing you'll need to do, we find best, is to give it a coat of quite a vibrant colour. This helps any design that you're putting onto the rock make it stand out. In this instance, we've got loads of paint from when we've recently decorated one of the kids' bedrooms. So we'll open that up, give it a good stir, and it's a great way to use up some old paint. Okay, so we need to paint the rocks. So what we've done is we've come out onto the lawn. We tend to find the lawn's the best place to paint the rocks because if you spill anything or make a mess, it doesn't really matter, the grass will grow back out. So we've used an old paintbrush, we've given the paint a stir, and we've given the rock 2 coats. And we've let that dry, so we're ready to move on to the next stage now, which is to think about a design. So once your stone's dry, the next thing to do is have a think about the design you want. In this instance, we're going to draw a simple flower, and before we go straight onto the stone, we're going to test this out on a piece of paper with a pencil first. And the reason why we use the pencil is when we transfer this onto the rock, if you've got a mistake, you can just rub it out. So we're going to draw a simple flower. Okay, so let's transfer our design onto the stone by using the pencil. I tend to find acrylic paints work best on the stone, but you can use chalk or Sharpie pens, crayons. Okay, so while we're adding a bit of detail to this ladybird we thought we'd add in, the kids tell me apparently we're supposed to do a shout out to people that have subscribed to or watched to our other videos. So we'll have a shout out to Liam, who watched the last video we did and wrote a lovely comment, so thank you, Liam. A good tip is you must be patient in between coats. If you apply your second coat too quickly, it's just going to make a mess of the first coat. So, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll be putting up some more videos soon. The other cool thing with painting rocks, as your skills get better and better, you can just repaint over the top of the other rocks. So the very last bit to do is display our rock. So we're going to put it down on the floor now for everybody to see. Put it down there we go.